The rack is now free-ish. Should be just about good to come out.
Some gorilla put those on.
I don't want it to leak, man.
It wasn't me this time.
No. The new power steering rack is in the car. Last night, me and Sam Squanch got this thing in. It was a lot of wing jangling. If you're doing this at home, you need to take off the short hard line on the rack, and you need to twist the rack under the subframe to get it in. I'm putting a bunch of this liquid tape on these two wires coming out of the sensor coming off of the steering rack that we just put in. These two wires broke directly off my last rack, and when those break off, your car goes into heavy steering mode. I'm trying to avoid that, so we're trying to reinforce it with this. Hopefully it works.
You bringing V8s to the shop, dude?
It's not a Toyota. It's a Toyota V8. It's not American. It's not American.
If it's a Toyota V8, we can forgive it.
Open the fucking hood. What do you see?
But I don't know if you want to drive it.
Man, the CTSV brakes look very good.
But even as soon as
I've never been in a race car before.
careful, dude.
I know.
You might like the V8.
I don't want to like the V8.
Yes, you do.
It's probably great, actually.
It probably is great, but you have to say that it's terrible.
Oh, what box is this?
This is still KA transmission.
Oh, stock KA trans. All right. Whoa, 204. Oh, we're still pretty all right on water temp.
Oh, dude, you're good to go.
Do you feel that, sir? Oh my God, you do feel it. You like that? No. Yes, you do.
You gotta resist, Jen.
Oh, sorry. You're on gravel. Give us some beats. Golly, I'm not trying to do a burnout.
If they spin a little bit, don't worry about it.
Go. A lot of torque.
Damn. He's gonna like it.
He is. I hope he does. He better.
We must resist the V8s.
I stopped resisting a long time ago.
Yeah,
if you can't beat him, join him.
Yeah.
Broke it. What did you do? Well, we were testing. You just enjoy it too much? We had to do testing.
Yeah, I told him to test it with me.
So we did a burnout, and then he was like, shift in between the burnout, you'll feel the clutch being weird. And I was like, okay. So I did a burnout and then shifted, and then like the clutch kind of hung out in the middle, and so I like had to manually pull it out. So then we did another one, and it like it was making funky noises, and I thought the trans, like, because he was like shifting the burnout, I was like, I'm gonna break your transmission. He was like, well, then break it. I was like, okay. So I thought I broke the transmission, but then it, like, all the gears work fine, they don't grind, but it was like in between, like letting the clutch out, it makes a terrible noise. It's like, so we don't know what the fuck's going on. Still turbo cars over V8. Because this one, it's just like the turbo's always on when you hit the gas. It doesn't ever stop.
That's why you get a V8.
It's probably awesome. Yeah, it's good. I think I told him too. I think this was the first time I drove an S13. I don't think I've ever driven an S13.
And you've driven one with a V8.
They're pretty good. They drive pretty good. Drive pretty nice.
You heard it here first.
No.
They drive pretty good. Look at how happy this
E30.
car looks.
And this way looks nice. The other way works nice. That was pretty good.
You got a lot of.
Oh, it does.
You You got a lot of Z fans. You should just make an I Heart My VG30.
I heart my VG30.
Yeah, I Heart My VG30 sticker. Drop a comment for how long it takes you to take your radiator out. Oh, are you spinning one? One of the tech requirements when park comes back is you have to take a glass of you have to drink a glass of your coolant to make sure there's no coolant in it.
So I've got the car idling in the shop. I don't know how much Coos got yesterday, but I haven't filmed anything today. So in the car, we got a new power steering pump, and we have power steering cooler and a new rack. It seems like the power steering's working, but I haven't put the car on the ground yet. Sam Squinch was here just a minute ago. He gave it a little resistance. Seemed like it has power steering, so I'm crossing my fingers. I'm honestly super nervous to put the car on the ground because I'm gonna be so disappointed if this doesn't work. I'm so excited. It's working. The power steering has never been right on this car, ever, at all. It is definitely okay now. It's super light. Oh my gosh. You can actually steer with the single hand. It's amazing. Okay, I'm gonna go drive my car. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to support the channel, head to thelittlebigboys.com, grab yourself a Save the Skyline t-shirt, grab some stickers, and we'll ship those boys out to you ASAP.